Here's a tip or a trick. Get yourself some of this self-fusing silicone tape. It's used for many different things, but you can use it for rod and reel wrap. This is one I did last year, and I like it much better than using castration bands or electrical tape. It feels just amazing in your hand. It's super grippy. And if you get a rod that's got something weird going on, like this ugly stick here, it's got like a narrow tapered neck down here. So what I do with that is put some of this double-sided sticky tape in that narrow area, like that. Then I wrap it with this silicone. Bear with me here. There we go. Now with this stuff, you want to use about half as much as you think you need to use, because it stretches up to 3 times its original length, and I usually stretch it about 2 times. I don't stretch it like crazy, because it loses strength once you get to 3 times. But you just wrap it the reel, like that, and that adds grip and thickens it up where you need it.